Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Surveyors capture or pick up a lot of information and also set allocations for a construction team to use. If not well documented and communicated, this can result in disputes over locations, causing delays. Dashpivot is a no-code information management system that digitizes your processes and replaces paper forms and spreadsheets. So in this video, I'm going to show you how our platform can improve your field survey report workflow. In Dashpivot, you can create a field survey report template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which has many ready-to-use templates already available. Since we're looking at a specific report today, I'm going to run a search at the top here, and you'll be able to see what we have currently and preview the format that we have available before you add this to your account. Once the template is added to your account, you can go ahead and start using this format to create the report with customizable fields. Our standard field survey report template will have a date field, some text fields, a table for your picks up and findings, a section to add photos, and some questions to make sure that you have not missed anything. You can also attach layouts and plans for reference directly to the form using the PDF field here, which can also be marked up when you're using the Dashpivot mobile app. This template also implements features such as the required field, which means that if these marked fields aren't completed, they will not be able to save the form. For example, I'll just put in the date here and you'll see that if I attempt to save, I won't be able to do this unless I complete this. So let's just go ahead and fill out an example. You can also implement conditional logic for the yes, no, or not applicable fields, such as should they reply with the answer no, then there's a specific information that popped up. Once a form is completed and saved, it will be populated and displayed in a timeline view sorted by date like this. As mentioned earlier, to ensure that important information is captured, fields can be made required in the template editor here. This is in the field settings on the top left corner for each of the field. And then for the questions, the conditional logic can then be implemented by simply hovering over and click Add Logic to request more details depending on the answers. Photos are essential for field reports to support the findings noted. These can be found in the Photos tab within your team folders. Photo tags can also be created and applied for easy filtering. GPS location can also be captured when photos are taken through the Dashpivot mobile app depending on your mobile settings. Should you need to find and export data, this can be done in the Register view at the top of your template. You can use the filters available at the top of some of these columns depending on the fields that you have in your template to filter and find relevant forms, such as you might want to filter by created by, which will be by the name, or the date field within your form. Simply select the forms that you'd like to export and you will have the options at the top to export your data as CSV file or as PDF files. Field survey reports can also be created and submitted using our mobile application, the Dashpivot app, which is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible to workers. Dashpivot can also be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as Excel, Power BI, Xero, etc. using our integration product FlowSite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer data from your Dashpivot to your preferred data analytics or other tools to streamline the process even further. Try Dashpivot for free today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching.